Lenny the kitten was 6 weeks old and very, very sick when I brought him home for foster care, and I was not sure if he was going to make it. Here are some of the things that I did to help Lenny along his recovery and to give him a fighting chance at life. Recently, I took in a beautiful mama cat with 8 kittens from the shelter, and they were all pretty sick with upper respiratory infections. But one kitten in particular, a boy I named Lenny, was the sickest of all. Most of the kittens had stuffy noses and eye infections, so I began treating them with medicated drops from the vet, along with oral antibiotics. Even being pretty snuffly, most of the kittens were eating and playing and acting pretty okay. But although he was on the same medicine as the others, Lenny just wasn't getting any better. His nasal congestion was so severe, and he had trouble breathing, much less eating, so he was very quickly losing weight. I had to feed him kitten formula and baby food many times a day with a syringe, and even then it was difficult for him to swallow. To loosen his congestion, I treated Lenny to a couple of steam sessions each day, which helped break up the phlegm so he could breathe a little easier. While the rest of the kittens ran playing through the house, Lenny huddled miserably on the side, watching. He didn't even have the strength to groom himself, so I gave him sponge baths with warm water. Every day I woke up thinking, this has to be the day that Lenny feels better. This poor, sweet little boy was suffering so much, and I would have traded places with him in a heartbeat. Then, one morning, as we were feeding the cats, Lenny crawled up from his usual spot on the sofa and began to nibble some food off of Batty's plate. It was the first time he'd eaten anything on his own, and I was overcome with joy. This was a sure sign that Lenny was finally turning the corner. I'm continuing to supplement Lenny with formula for extra calories, but he's starting to eat on his own again. He's also beginning to groom himself, which is another sure sign that he's feeling better. And he's more interested in seeing what the other kittens are doing, even if he's not quite ready to jump back into the more rowdy play activities. He still has a long way to go till he's completely well. It was a combination of things that saved Lenny's life. A full dose of antibiotics from the vet, syringe feeding when he couldn't eat, and lots of cuddling, so that even in his worst moments, Lenny always knew that someone cared about him. I'm expecting a full recovery for our sweet Lenny, and I'll post a follow-up on him soon. Have you been caring for a sick cat or a kitten? Tell us your experience in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button now and join the Kitten School family.
Kitten School is the place to be. Subscribe now!